Figma to XD 101, Convertify XD. Converting designs from Figma to Adobe XD can be done using third-party tools or plugins. Here are a couple of methods you can use. Convertify plugin. Convertify is a plugin that allows one-click conversion from Figma to Adobe XD. It converts each artboard layer by layer to a real.xd file. The plugin also supports converting color and text styles, and prototyping transitions. Magical service, to convert Figma files to Adobe XD files with a single click. It supports full feature compatibility, including all shapes, path elements, and artboard styles. Manual conversion, you can manually convert designs by exporting Figma artboards as SVG files and then importing them into Adobe XD. These methods aim to provide a seamless transition from Figma to Adobe XD, preserving as much of the design integrity as possible. However, some features may not be supported, and you might need to adjust the final XD file manually to ensure everything is as expected.